right, that was 1 cup of my white minute rice right into my 9 by 13 baking dish. I'm gonna follow that up with a small can of the cream of mushroom soup. Just plop that right in there. Next, we have a packet of chicken gravy here. We're gonna pour that right on top of our other ingredients in here. And then we have 1 cup of water. Just pour that right over the top of that delicious chicken gravy. We need a little more moisture and a little creaminess, so we're gonna add some whole milk here. We're gonna add 1 cup. I'm just eyeballing it. Okay, that looks about 1 cup to me. You can measure if you like. I just don't really think it's necessary. Now we're gonna take a whisk here. And yep, we are just gonna whisk everything together right in our baking dish. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be such an easy and delicious dinner. Just throw it together all in one pan. You can mix this in a bowl if you like. Mix the liquids and the powders together and then pour it over the rice. But I just think, why not just mix it all in one dish? All right, you guys, this is looking nice and mixed, and it thickened up a little bit. That's exactly what you want. So now we are going to add in the star of the show, our chicken tenderloins. This is about 1.5 pounds. And you're just gonna go ahead and gently lay these little guys in here. Really doesn't matter, you can do it however you want. And yep, I do not wash my chicken. I believe that cooking it in the oven is going to kill off any harmful bacteria. So yeah, I don't wash it and I've been fine. I've never gotten food poisoning or food sickness because I don't want the chickens touching each other really. Okay, there we go. That looks perfect. And you should always wash your hands after handling raw meat. Remember that, okay? Now I got some Lipton's beefy onion soup mix here. We have 1 packet. We're just going to sprinkle all over our chicken tenderloins. This is going to act as our seasoning. It's another easy part about this dish. You don't need a whole bunch of seasoning bottles. Mostly everything in this dish is stuff that you probably already have at home. Got that whole packet on there. I don't want to waste anything. So now all we need to do is get our foil here. Get a nice piece of foil. Cover that baby up. And this is gonna go in the oven at 350 for about 1 hour. All right, you guys, this came out of the oven about 10 minutes ago. Let's check it out. Ooh, that smells so good, you guys. Oof. Let's go ahead and give this rice a little bit of a fluff here. Oh my gosh, this is just, the gravy has made the rice and the chicken so tender. Oh my gosh. Let me just go ahead and get this piece right up here. Oh yeah. Get that off of there. Ooh, let me get some of that delicious moist rice. You could serve this up with some broccoli. That would be really delicious. All right, you guys. It is time to give this a try. That chicken is so nice and tender. Look at that. You don't even need a knife or anything to cut that. That rice is a little soft looking, but I'm sure it's packed with flavor, just like this chicken is gonna be. It's really good.